Attention, everyone. We had a decent quarter, but I believe we can do better. I think our best option is to diversify our investments. That way we can. All right, Bill. What the hell is that?
I'm sorry, everyone. I just have this damn whooping cough that I haven't been able to shake.
You realize that a whooping cough doesn't cause you to make a whooping sound.
It doesn't?
No. A whooping cough is more like a persistent wheezing cough.
Good God. Then what do I have?
Nothing. I think you're just an asshole.
Oh.